adlaw uli, Negros. Arin ako sa the main attraction ng Perth CBD, the Bell Tower here. And this is the areas surrounding the Perth, the Bell Tower. I'll show you it's very the attraction is very ano siya. At marami idamo dito tourist kadto. Amo na di ang I'll show you the love location, love lock. Mga couples ang dili ginabutang nila ang ilang mga ang love locks nila. Here. I'll show you, this is the surrounding the areas. And that's here. That's the Bell Tower. The Bell Tower here. Nag-tour na kami sa family ko. Nagbutaw na lang kami sa love lock namin dara. So sa next time, I'll tour you around para makita ang from the first to the sixth, the history of the bell itself, and it's the Bell Tower. It's very nice. Inside it's very nice. Maganda ano. Kanami din no. Lagaw-lagaw. Lagaw-lagaw. Come on ay. May mga restaurants to oh. Ito ang nagdamo ng tao. I'll show you. That's the bell, the exact bell tower. Yeah. That's it. I'll show you some areas, some great locations for